Okay, let's proceed. Zang-fu theory. What is number... Okay, question number one. What does Zhang refer to in Zang-fu theory?
Yin,
Zang,
Yin.
solid
number
or
one.
What does Fu refer to in Zang-fu theory?
Fu is hollow, yang, organ.
Yang,
How many regular yin organs are listed?
Yins.
Five.
Six,
Five.
Huh?
Five.
Do you consider
Five.
pericardium an organ?
six,
Yes.
Yes.
Not an organ. What
Yes.
ba ang
Yes.
pericardium?
Pericardium
Ano
six.
ba? 5 or 6?
six,
Six.
Really?
5 lung organ. 6 for organ.
Yes.
things po,
Pericardium is not an organ. It's supposed to be like
The
bring the
like
heart. No?
the heart.
cover.
Although it has a mental, emotional component to it, no? Yeah. Actually, no, this is what I learned lang, lately lang. You're not supposed pala to needle so much the heart points, but instead of the heart points, you should needle the pericardium because it's
Pericardium.
supposed to be the soldier or what's this? The protector of the heart, right? And we don't want to deplete our heart chi, diba? Because the moment you have palpitations, that is already a sign that your heart is weak. So how many are experiencing palpitations here? So you should really, really look.
Pericardium.
Yeah. No, palpitations means you can hear your heartbeat. That's not normal. So when you have palpitations, definitely the heart talaga. So as much as possible, we don't exhaust the heart chi. We try to stay happy, but not too happy because you might end up laughing all the time.
the
Yes.
pericardial itanda belong to lung?
No,
No.
pericardium
No.
is
It's a sort of considered a yin organ, sister.
yeah, yin
Yes,
organ only. Yeah, but not really an organ. So it's like, in fact, if you read um, yeah, I learned also, no, the Wang Tinei, the organ that they were talking about was actually the pericardium. So it's not really an
yes,
organ. So, but both are fire element, right?
yes,
Yeah, heart
yeah.
and small
It
intestine.
protect the heart. Yes,
Yeah, so we have like um four components of the fire element. But anyway, that's so as much as possible, you do not um exhaust your heart point so much.
Heart.
Yeah. So instead of, that's why I noticed this. That's why pericardium 6 is enough, right? Or pericardium
Yes.
7, depending on the pattern. So although my favorite is Shanmen, so might as well needle the E for the
Heart.
heart 7. Yeah, let's proceed. Let's continue. So which of the following is a yin organ?
lungs,
Lung.
Which yin organ is associated with Han Tai Yin?
Lung.
Lung,
lung,
Which yin organ is paired with Fu Tai Yin?
spleen,
spleen,
Which yin organ is associated with Han Shao Yin?
heart,
Heart.
Yeah, lesser yin. That means, actually, we consider the heart as the most yang, but it is a yin
Correct.
organ, diba? Solid kasi.
In
But that's why the yin is very, very little. Shao yin. That's why the fire of the heart should go down to warm the kidneys, right? Which yin
Yes.
organ is paired with foot shao yin?
kidney,
Which organ is listed as han shui yin?
pericardium,
Pericardium.
Which organ is listed as foot shui yin?
putuyin, liver,
Liver.
Which of the following is a young organ?
yang,
large intestine,
Large intestine. Fast, huh? Sister Rosa is very fast. Wow. Which food organ is paired with Yang Min?
large intestine,
Which food organ is paired with Foot Yang Min?
large intestine.
yang.
Stomach.
Foot yang
Stomach.
means
Stomach.
Okay.
Stomach.
Which food organ is paired with hantayang?
Hatayang.
Small
SI.
intestine.
Small intestine.
Which food organ is paired with futayang?
Hatayang.
Ureter.
Bladder.
What is the santiao also known as?
Triple
Triple burner.
The santiao primarily controls the movement of
blood.
Water.
Water.
Water. Sorry, water.
Yeah.
Water.
Do you agree? Does everyone agree?
Water.
Yeah, water. We need to control the movement of water, no? To prevent overheating. Which xiao includes the breathing diaphragm and the lungs, heart, and five sense organs?
Upper.
Which xiao covers the area from the umbilicus to the breathing diaphragm?
Middle jaw.
Middle
Which
jaw.
xiao includes everything below the umbilicus?
Lower jaw.
Lower
How
jaw.
many extraordinary organs are listed?
6.
6.
6.
What is an extraordinary organ?
Brain.
Wait. The question is, why is it called extraordinary?
Which of them? It's not
Sergio, yeah, okay. Montrix, go ahead.
it's not an organ, but
No, it's not an organ.
I mean it's not
ordinary. Hollow organ.
O yan, naku magagalit sa ano yan. No, it's not ordinary. So what makes it not ordinary?
the brain is the
Like for example, the gallbladder. Why is the gallbladder both a young organ and an extraordinary organ?
gallbladder produces the
No, it doesn't produce the bile. The
the
liver
bile
produces
is it's yung clear essence siya.
Okay.
Diba? That's why it's extraordinary. That's the only one that produces
Okay. Do you agree?
Ordinary organs are hollow organs, no?
Brains natin is a sea of marrow. It is nourished by kidney essence gene. Na nakaugnay ng kidney heart.
Sea of marrow.
Bakit yan napunta sa brain? Naman na tayo sa ano.
Wait.
Okay.
About sa brain yun.
Extraordinary both
Okay, what are the
and
extraordinary organs?
Marrow. Brain.
Organ, doc, it has a unique functions, doc.
No, what are they? You said there are 6. What are they?
The
Marrow.
gallbladder.
Dalawa pa lang yung mention nyo.
Marrow, brain,
the brain bone,
The brain, yeah. What else?
pericardium.
uterus.
No, who answered pericardium? That's very wrong.
Doc, extraordinary organs is brain,
Marrow, brain, bone,
Wait lang,
uterus,
muna.
vessels, and gallbladder.
uterus.
Can you name them again, Ma'am Trix?
The brain, marrow, bone, uterus, vessels, and gallbladder.
Okay. Which of the
Doc.
following is an extraordinary organ?
The
Prostate gland.
brain.
Brain. May prostate ba? Mas napunta tayo sa prostate. Which extraordinary organ is described as a sea of marrow?
Marrow.
Brain.
Bone.
Sea of marrow. Sea.
Marrow, brain.
Yes.
Brain.
Which extraordinary organ is called the blood chamber?
Blood chamber,
Uterus.
What is the main function of zang organs?
Lung organs. It is generate and store vital substances.
Okay. Generate and store which vital substance is produced by the kidneys and spleen?
Essence.
Kidney means
Essence.
essence.
Essence. Good. What kind of essence is produced by the kidneys?
Generate chi, lungs,
No,
spleen.
wait lang. Makinig muna kayo.
Uh,
The question, you said the vital substance produced by the kidneys and spleen is essence. What kind of essence is produced by the kidney? And what
Jing.
Yin.
Jing.
Yin essence.
congenital essence
Yin.
with zinc? And then spleen is,
Uh,
what is the opposite of congenital?
Free.
Congenital chi, Doc.
Okay, what you inherit from your parents is congenital, right? You got it. But you still have a chance. Like the spleen also produces an essence. What type of essence are we talking about?
Ah,
Post.
acquired to postnatal
Acquired
chi.
essence. Wow, ang
Acquired.
galing naman.
Galing.
Acquired. Wow,
Okay.
talagang nakakapangilabot. Okay. Which organs generate chi fast?
number 1.
Yeah. Lungs, spleen, kidneys.
Lungs, spleen, kidney.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Ay, wag na mahaba na. Which organs are responsible for producing body fluids? Mm.
Fluid.
Spleen, stomach, SILI.
Mm.
Tama.
Okay, hope you
Digestion.
know that. Blood is generated by which combination of organs?
One.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Spring heart.
That is why if you have blood deficiency as a pattern, do not forget the kidneys. Do not forget
Yeah.
the lungs.
The heart. The
Spleen,
spleen.
heart, kidney, lungs. Which in organ stores blood?
Liver.
Liver.
Which food organ receives and holds water and food?
Stomach.
Stomach.
What happens when the stomach is full?
Small and large intestine should be empty.
Yes.
Ano answer? What's the answer?
Or
One.
what?
Small
Large
and large
intestine.
intestine should be
Should
empty.
Yes. What is the consequence of a young organ stopping the downward movement of substances?
stopping, no?
And
Inflammation.
inflammation.
Hmm?
Inflammation.
Inflammation. Which point type is found around the elbows for young channels of the upper body?
SC.
AC point.
See.
Yes.
AC
Oh.
point.
What is the primary function of the extraordinary organs?
Store vital
Store vital
substances.
Okay. Which extraordinary organ is linked with the storage of marrow?
Brain.
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 The brain. That's why it's extraordinary.
Yeah.
Storage of
Organ.
marrow.
Yes. Which
Yun na
organ
yun.
is classified both as a full organ and an extraordinary organ?
Gallbladder.
In zang-fu theory, the external signs on the superficial body are used to assess what?
Internal organ.
External.
Yeah. Is it the correct answer?
Yeah, internal
Okay.
organ condition.
Yeah. Thank you, Ma'am Letty. O, di ba? Memorize the memory. What does the term... Oh, it is the name of Sister Rosa. Zang-xiang.
Sister Rosa.
藏相 means
Zang.
number 1.
Jiang.
藏相 image and sign from the superficial areas.
Wow.
Okay, mo. Alangan, di ba? The upward moving energy belongs to which group of organs?
Upward. Yin zang organ.
Huh?
Yin zang organ.
Yin zang
Yeah,
organ.
upward. Kasi mga yin, yeah. The downward moving energy is characteristic of which organs?
The
Yang. Fu organ.
Yes.
Oh, very good.
Which organ? Okay, Mom Elena. Haji Elena Solomon. Please
Which
participate, no? Speak a little louder.
answer?
Okay. Okay. Sige po, next time. Which organ is associated with Han Xiaoyang?
Hair butter or sanjao?
Mm-mm.
Sea of blood? So we already know who is the Sea of Marrow, di ba? Who is the Sea of blood?
Uterus.
Liver.
Ay, ano
Uterus.
ba?
Liver.
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 Do you
Liver pala.
agree, Sister Rosa?
Liver.
Extraordinary.
Liver.
The sea of blood.
Yeah,
Extraordinary
extraordinary.
liver is not extraordinary.
Uterus.
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 Ang galing ni Ma'am Letty. Ibang klase. Pang ano talaga. Hindi napansin yun, ha? Pareho na kami. Hindi Which meridian pair is the Sanjiao connected to via the urinary bladder?
Liver.
Huh?
Stomach.
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 Sanjiao. Okay.
The Sanjiao is connected to the stomach via the
Okay.
Yun ba yun? Okay.
Intrajectory.
Organ is listed under the Futrian category.
Liver.
Liver.
What does the term extraordinary refer to in the context of extraordinary organs?
No
Not connected.
connected with the 12 meridians.
Which organ is paired with Han Tai-yin?
Lungs.
Ang galing. Gallbladder is considered both a yang and what other type of organ in Chinese medicine?
Extraordinary.
Yes. Why is the gallbladder described as yang?
Stores bile. Oh, yes.
Or bladder because
Because
is
it moves
called
digestion and downward
movement.
Well, ano ba? What's the answer? Ma'am Letty, what's the answer?
No.
Number 2.
Number
Number 2.
Yang and
Downward kanina.
Yes.
Downward
Number
What,
2.
what happens to digestion if the gallbladder is full of stones or sludge?
Siyempre, yung negative affected yan. Digestion is negatively affected.
Number
Okay.
3.
Which substance released by the gallbladder helps break down fats?
Bile. Bile.
Bile. Released, because the gallbladder stores the bile. And who secretes the bile?
Gallbladder.
No, who
Liver.
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 The gallbladder is a bit yin because, so parang yin din siya. Why?
Okay.
Because it still it stores bile.
Stores bile. Yun yung pagka-yin niya. Pero what it stored is clean, di ba?
Yeah.
In Chinese medicine, bile is considered one of the vital substances called
What again? Chinese medicine?
Chongqing.
Chongqing.
Are you sure? Ay, baka madama.
It's
Baka
qi.
No.
What's the answer? Sir
Jing.
Joel, what's the answer?
Chongqing.
Pwede rin
Chongqing.
Chongqing.
Is that how you pronounce it, Sister Rosa?
No, that is wrong spelling. 又中气，这是中静。
Okay.
Chongqing.
Sorry.
中静 wrong spelling. 中气。
Yeah, the spelling is wrong, but the answer is correct. Okay.
Correct.
According to biomedicine, where is bile originally produced?
Liver.
After being produced, bile is moved to the gallbladder. For what purpose?
Concentration and excretions.
Digestion.
Son,
Concentration and excretion.
Ano
Exertion.
talaga? Sir Jobel, what's the answer?
all of the above.
Hindi ano.
No.
Lahat ng sumagot.
What's the answer?
Concentration,
And
Ah?
concentration and excretion.
Concentration.
Yes, number
Number
2.
2.
Yeah, because you need to concentrate, yes.
Mm.
In Chinese idiom, a big gallbladder describes a person who is
Brave.
a small
Brave.
gallbladder in Chinese
Brave.
idiom suggests a person is
Timid.
Timid.
yeah. What is the
Timid.
best point for tonifying the gallbladder? Yung mga timid. GB
34.
hindi
Or
39.
or gallbladder deficiency. Hindi rin
GB32.
ako sure. Nakalimutan ko.
GB32.
It's definitely not
34.
34, no. Kasi remember,
32.
this is a weak gallbladder, diba?
Okay.
GB34, we use that. Okay, whatever. Okay,
Yes.
anyway. I'm not sure. I think it's GB40. Ay, check mo daw. Google now, please. We need to Google it now. GB40.
wait.
Ito.
GB4.
What's the answer, Ma'am Trix?
Wait
GB40.
lang.
GB40, hindi pala 41. Okay, GB40. Okay.
GB30.
What is GB39 for?
Sa bones pala yun.
Hmm?
Ano,
Bone.
bone marrow. Ay, ano pa yun?
Generate
Influential
calcium.
point of the
Point.
Bone marrow. Liver. Bone marrow.
okay. The primary function of bile in digestion is to we answer. What is the primary function of bile in digestion?
Break down protein.
Emulsify fat.
Emulsify fats. The term downward movement associated with the gallbladder refers to its role in
Excretion.
Digestion.
The gallbladder's yin aspect is related to its ability to
Produce bile.
no, it doesn't produce
Store.
store bile. What does
Store bile.
extraordinary mean in the context of Chinese medicine organs?
Not filled with another.
Organ not paired with zang. Organ.
Which organ concentrates bile after it is produced?
Gallbladder.
The gallbladder's role in downward movement mainly supports which digestive phase?
Stomach emptying.
Emptying? Ano ba naman? What is wrong with you? Bile is sumobra na yung utak ni Sir Mark. Bile is considered a central essence called, again.
Zhongqi.
Yeah, wrong spelling daw, but okay.
中气
Zhongqi.
In Chinese medicine theory, the gallbladder influences which aspect of a person?
Personality, doc.
Yes. Okay,
Wow,
question.
okay.
Before I forget, because I'm sure of my answer. How does a person with gallbladder deficiency manifest? What type of insomnia does a person with gallbladder deficiency have? For example, when you have blood deficiency, especially heart blood deficiency, it's so difficult for you to get sleep, to start sleeping, right? Takes you 2 hours sometimes to sleep, but the sleep is very complete. If you have yin deficiency, you can sleep fast. You can easily get to sleep. However, you keep on waking up.
In the middle of the night.
But when you have gallbladder deficiency, Sir Mark, you answered this. What is the symptom that we will ask the patient? At what
Insomnia,
time?
Doc.
Huh?
What type
Hindi
of
makatulog.
insomnia?
Okay. When he wakes, he
Uh,
usually wakes up between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. and cannot go back to sleep again.
Iron deficiency.
Gallbladder deficiency. And the best point is gallbladder 40.
40,
Double
oh.
check with the
or
Google.
Gallbladder 40 to study ng gallbladder G.
Yeah, because if you are a person who is timid, paurong-sulong, no, and you know, you're so takot. Ano ba yung pag-explain ni Dr. Philip Tangatwe kanina, Ma'am Letty? I'm sure ano mo yun. Like if you are afraid, to make decisions, yun ba yun?
Malaking gallbladder, ganun, Doc.
Ay, hindi.
hindi masakit.
Okay, whatever.
Block yung gallbladder.
So gallbladder has something to do, like you just don't look at fear as a manifestation of gallbladder, of kidney deficiency.
Kidney.
No? You also look at the gallbladder. Kasi, yeah, fear of making decisions. You cannot make decisions. No? So, last time we learned that we need to improve our SI, small intestine, using SI5 so that we can, it can help make us decide together with the gallbladder. No? Okay, what does, in biomedicine, after bile is concentrated, it is eventually blunt into the intestine.
After bile is excreted,
Okay. That is
eventually
why may connection tayo from the gallbladder to the small intestine, right?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, wag na lang. A small gallbladder idiom suggests a person is likely to be
Easily frightened.
easily frightened. Which term best describes bile's role in breaking down dietary fats?
Classification.
emulsification.
The gallbladder's young characteristic is linked to its involvement in which direction of bodily flow.
Downward.
In Chinese medicine, an organ that stores but does not create a substance is considered
Yin. Yin.
Yin.
Considered yin. Or considered as well.
Nag-store but does not create a substance. What is the answer, Sir Joe Bell?
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary. Yun ba yun?
No.
Iyan yata.
Stores, but not
Create substances.
stores,
Yin.
but not excrete.
Not create substances. Yin.
Yin, Doc.
Yin.
Stores,
Yin.
but not excrete.
That's not substances.
Is a store.
It was not create.
Yin
Asan
ako.
yung answer sheet?
Walang answer sheet.
Yung answer sheet? Ang galing.
Yeah, matitalino yung mga, mukhang hindi nga sila prepared. Makikipagpagulan pa yan mamaya. Okay, let's ask Sister Rosa.
What?
What is the
71.
organ that stores but does not create a substance?
Yin.
Okay, sige. Let's look this up. I'm not even. Zung Sing refers to
Chongqi.
It number one, Central Essence.
okay. No, di ba?
Wow.
So alam niya talaga. What is the relationship between the liver and gallbladder regarding bile?
Liver produce, gallbladder stores, and concentrates.
In zang-fu theory, which term simultaneously means image and sign and symptoms showing from superficial areas?
It 正向 number one.
Ay, ganun pala yung
So yun,
Parang chang. Naging chang.
Zhang xiang.
Okay. So, sister, we would like to ask you, what does the qiang in your family name mean?
It's xiang. It's just family name. There's no meaning.
Okay. Thank you. According to the Yellow Emperor's internal classic, this is the Huangti Niqing. How many yin organs were originally named, excluding the later addition?
5.
5. So naging 6 na siya because they had to add pericardium. Which of the following, but technically, the pericardium is not an organ, di ba? It's a tissue. Which of
Yes.
the
It
following,
covers
yeah.
the cover of the heart.
Which of the following is classified as a Han Yin organ?
And
Heart.
show heart.
The Sanjiao is best analogized to which of the following systems in Western physiology?
Sanjang. Um,
System.
Anong system?
Plumbing.
Ano answer, sir?
ano?
Immune system.
Huh?
Lymphatic.
Immune system.
Lymphatic.
Lymphatic siya.
In the three Jiao division, which organs are primarily located in the middle Jiao?
Gumitaw, diba? Spleen, liver, or bladder.
Which yin organ is primarily responsible for generating blood?
Spleen.
Which of the following statements about Husi points is correct?
All young channels have both Hisi and lower Hisi points.
Sumagot.
Ano, what's the answer? Ma'am Letty. Si Miss Pa ay. Okay.
All
Same.
young
All young have both Hasi and lower Hasi.
Yeah. Okay.
All,
Sir
all.
Jobel, where is the... Ay, hindi ko rin alam yung answer. What is stomach 37?
Stomach 30.
Never mind, I forgot the... Which vital substance is produced by the kidneys and the spleen?
Essence.
Extraordinary. Ang tagal sumagot ng iba. Binako. I think this is a repeat question. The extraordinary organ marrow primarily functions as...
store of vital
Stores
substances.
of vital substances.
Which yin organ stores qi?
Lungs.
Lungs.
Which organ is paired with the upper jow's diaphragm?
Upper, diba? Di lang.
Lungs.
Which organ's energy is described as upward moving?
Upward, not upward.
Liver.
Liver. The four organs are primarily responsible for...
Transporting
water and food.
Which of the following best describes the function of the pericardium in zang-fu theory?
Yin organ paired with the Sanjiao. Yin organ paired with the Sanjiao.
Sinabi mo na. The lower jaw includes all except...
liver.
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 Which organ is linked to the generation of qi together with the lungs?
The spleen po.
Which pair of channels have... That is why... What do you call the lung and the spleen together?
And
They have a channel.
Promote.
Yeah. And let's ask Ma'am Letty, what are the 2 points? What are the points that are very effective for edema? For ano ba to? Yun na, si lung 5 and spleen 9. Which pair of channels have Hussey points located around the elbows?
Large intestine and Sanjiao.
Galing. What is the primary reason for inflammation in food organs?
Inflammation, doc. Stagnation of downward moving energy.
Which extraordinary vessel does not originate from the uterus or semen palace?
Liver meridian.
Yeah.
Liver
No, is liver
Liver
meridian an extraordinary vessel? No.
No.
the Does not originate from the
It is not an extraordinary vessel.
Primary
What is the answer?
Does not originate.
simple.
Chong. Wait.
Does
Where
not
does it
originate.
originate from? Chong or
Rain.
penetrating?
Rain channel.
So I think we need to really take up yung mga extraordinary vessels. Which yin organ is primarily responsible for storing essence?
Kidney.
The triple burner is associated with which element of movement?
Downward.
Downward movement of water. Which organ pair shares the blood chamber designation in the extraordinary organ chart?
Liver and uterus.
Yeah. That is why if you have a female patient with menstrual issues, then you have to treat the liver. Which statement about the Fu organ, San Xiao, is accurate?
It acts as a controller of water movement.
Which organ's function is described as static?
Liver.
Which of the following is the correct, kaya madaling mag-stagnate. Which of the following is the correct pairing of organ and its associated channel type?
Stomach, foot, yang ming.
Shen
Stomach.
yun na. Shen is considered what nature by Dr. Wu?
Yang.
Yang. Brain.
Yang.
Spirit.
Yang.
Which of the following is not a vital substance generated by yin organs?
10.
Steam.
Which extraordinary organ is directly linked to the sea of blood?
The liver.
Liver.
Which of the following statements about the upper jaw is correct?
Upper jaw.
Contains protein, diaphragm, and organs above it.
The Fu organ, large intestine, is associated with which hand channel? Bilis.
Yang.
Which organ is a foot Xiaoyang in the Fu organ classification? Fast.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
Which organ's energy moves downward associated with Hosi points on the lower extremities?
Small
SI.
intestine.
Oh, yun na yung sabihin. SI. Which organ is not part of the digestive tract cluster?
Kidney.
Which organ is paired with uterus as a blood storage chamber?
Liver.
The gallbladder is considered both young and extraordinary because it involves what process?
Digestion.
Extraordinary organs have which type of organ functions?
Yin organ functions.
Okay. Extraordinary organs have which type of organ shape? Ay, pati shape.
Organ shape.
Yang organ shape.
Organ shape.
Okay. They have the young organ shape. Extraordinary organs do not produce what?
Substances.
The gallbladder contributes to which overall movement?
Downward movement.
Movement.
Why does the gallbladder affect digestion?
It releases
bile.
What is the
The bile.
primary role of bile in digestion? Paulit-ulit.
Breaks down fats.
Yeah. Which statement is true about extraordinary organs?
They have yin organ functions, but the yang organs shape.
What we're feeling talaga. Okay. Extraordinary organs are hollow, but do what?
Store substances.
Okay. Which organ function is described as yin?
Storing substances.
Which of the following is not a characteristic of extraordinary organs?
They produce vital substances.
What is the primary consequence of gallstones or sludge on digestion?
Impaired breakdown of fats.
How does the dual classification of the gallbladder illustrate the principle of interchanging qualities in Chinese medicine theory? Ang haba naman ito.
It demonstrates that structural form and functional role can belong to opposite categories.
Okay. The gallbladder's role in downward movement is associated with which element in the five elements theory?
Metal.
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 Metal nga.
Huh?
Metal.
Yeah.
Gallbladder sa downward.
Yeah, downward.
Downward.
Which organ shape is explicitly compared to young organs?
Gallbladder.
Yeah.
Gallbladder.
The phrase central essence in the past, in most closely parallels which biomedical concept?
Metabolic enzymes.
Metabolic enzymes.
So metabolic enzyme, central essence, Sanjiao. What is the primary reason the gallbladder cannot be classified solely as a yin organ despite storing bile?
Because it shapes resembles young organs.
Yeah, yun yung reason. The shape, the downward movement in relation to gallbladder is characteristic of which bodily process in Chinese medicine?
Digestion and transformation.
The gallbladder's downward movement aligns with which directional attribute in TCM?
Sinking.
Which phrase directly ties the gallbladder to emotional temperament?
Big gallbladder.
Big gallbladder.
Which of the following mechanisms is not the reason why gallstones impair digestion? Not a reason, huh?
Overproducing digestive enzymes.
Tama.
Okay. Galing. The gallbladder decides part of your personality. Which field of study would most likely investigate this claim scientifically? Ay, tumigil sila.
Cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology.
In Chinese idiom, a small gallbladder denotes timidity. What underlying TCM principle does this reflect?
Deficiency and store courage.
Stored courage, yin and the gallbladder.
So gallbladder is courage, no? So if you are deficient in qi, yeah. The term downward movement most directly refers to which physiological direction?
From head to foot.
Okay. The passage suggests that gallstones hinder digestion. Which of the following TCM treatment principles would most likely be applied?
Expel them from the
from the
gallbladder.
gallbladder.
Gagaling, grabe. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, and congratulations.